You know that time when you make a video and then you go to check on it and you're like, didn't plug in my microphone. No audio. Yeah, I just did that. So I just made a whole Stitch Fix video for you guys and there was no audio. So I can't say that I haven't peeked at the items. I can't say that I haven't opened the box yet because I did the whole thing thinking all of you would be able to see it. But since you can't, I'm going to redo this video. And I'll probably put in little clips of like when I showed the box, how pretty it was. You might want to see that if you're thinking about Stitch Fix. Yeah, I didn't do that. So, getting started on this one, in the Stitch Fix box, like my stuff is everywhere now, but in the Stitch Fix box, it comes with the pricing. I will let you know what came in the box and how much everything was. You also get these like styling cards, I guess. I don't usually like to peek at it, but it shows you an item in the box and then how you can wear it. So I peek on them later. Let's see, it comes with a bag, so anything you don't want, you just put in the bag and you mail back to Stitch Fix. I will say only once have I shipped something back so far. Okay, now it does come with this brown paper. Everything is always neatly wrapped with a sticker. It looks really cute. Unfortunately, I can't show you that right now, but I will get started right away. Well, now I get to tell you like my favorites and not my favorites, but I haven't tried anything on yet, so that's still gonna have to come at the end. All right, so the first thing I have is this purple halter top. It's got a little tassel in the front like this. I like the color. I think it would work well with me. Stitch Fix likes to send me a lot of purple and magenta, even though I told them I wanted some blue items. So, yeah, I need some blue, but purples are good too. So let's see what this one is. This is the Rochelle Tie Detail Halter Top, and it is in large. I had switched from extra large to large. Luckily, with a little help from Jenny Craig and some extra walking and yoga, I've lost a little bit of weight, but I'm still kind of transitioning to sizes. So we're going to have to see how everything fits. So this is the purple halter top. So this top is cute. It would probably look better without my sports bra on, but I don't think it makes me look too big either. So I like that. These black trousers, they are very stretchy. I got them in a size 14. They are called, let's see, Tribal Fia bootcut trousers, black, size 14. So this is the back, the tush, and the front. Actually, I'm not sure. I'll have to try these on. I will say this box is probably one of the most expensive Stitch Fix boxes that I've had. So I really wanted to check out the items and see if I need to send anything back. However, I might have missed the window to check out. So they might have already charged me for all of it. It is okay. I do like them. I just need to try everything on. So those pants for Fia bootcut trousers, size 14, $58. That's not so bad for, you know, some trousers. Also, I have on the pants, the trousers. So they're long, but I think if I wore some clunky shoes, they'd be okay. But they come all the way up to here, which is kind of good because they're kind of tight and maybe holding me in a little bit. But they are long. They go past my feet. So, but all in all, I think it all looks okay. Let me know what you think. These were quite pricey, although I do like these. I hope they fit and look good on me, especially if they already did charge me. These are capris in navy blue. I think they'll be great because I am in, you know, warm weather. These are Lila Ryan, and these are actually $88. Now, before you turn off, let me just tell you some of the things about Stitch Fix. For Stitch Fix, you pay $20 a month, like styling fee. So a lot of the subscription boxes are, 20, 30, 40, whatever dollars. The thing about Stitch Fix is you get your $20 back for purchasing the items. So I only pay you pay the $20, but then if you keep an item or all of them or whatever, then you get the $20 off. It's kind of like a credit. Another thing is if you buy all 5 items in a box, you get a 25% discount. So this box was $287. With the 25% off would be $71.75, and then you can take away the styling fee. So that styling fee was $20. So the order total would be $195.25 for 5 items. So that's the halter top, these capris, the black trousers, and 2 more items. Like my 2, I'm such a teacher. I do love this tank top. I hope it fits. This is the crossover in the back. So I do like it. It is stretchy, which is probably good, especially since I'm getting a large now. I might need the extra stretch. This is called Egypt crossover. So it's the Egypt crossover, I believe, right? Yep, Egypt crossover cutout tank. It's in dark gray, and it's a large. I do like that. So here are the capris. I do like them. They go past my calf, like just to the edge of my calf. The pockets are present. So there aren't any pockets, but I think they fit okay. They come down to... Then you can see the top again. It's cute. Okay, and the last thing that I thought was pretty neat, it came in this Stitch Fix bag. I've never gotten shoes from Stitch Fix, but I did get some New Balance sneakers. They're a size 9. I am usually a size 9, sometimes 8.5, depending on, on the brand. I am a Nike girl, but these kind of feel like flexible, like the Nikes that I usually choose. They do have pretty good cushion in them too. So I'm excited to try them. I like the color. I think this will match well with what I have. And that's it. I will have to give you an update soon. I will post pictures. One of my favorite things that I wasn't expecting with these Stitch Fix, some of you have been posting below, commenting, what do you like on me, which is great because really, let's face it, I'm not good at that stuff. And the funny thing is, like, when I was 18, 19, 20, I worked in a bank. And then actually, as soon as I turned 18, I went in the military. So I've always had kind of wear this uniform, or, before the bank was always a Subway. So I had my green shirt and, apron, and military tells you what to wear. The bank, I had to dress up, and then, wear my hair and makeup, because that's what I was born in the 78. So, the high hair. But anyway, so then after the military, I became a teacher. And for a while there, I was a substitute teacher for PE. And I loved it. And man, I started wearing yoga pants to work. And that's pretty much all I've worn. So 10 years in kindergarten, always in my yoga pants, always. So yoga pants, sneakers, flip-flops, tank tops, that's pretty much all it is. And usually it's black or blue. And so let me know what you think about anything I put on today. It is, like I said, it is a little bit of a pricier box this time. They've all been different. The first box had jewelry, and I asked them not to send me any more jewelry. I haven't changed. I take these out, I put alcohol on them, I stick them back in. Same thing with all of my piercings and stuff. I just don't, I don't change them out very often. So let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your comments below. All right, I'll see you in a few. Bye. I like this one. I love tank tops. It doesn't quite cover my butt. Okay, so it's been a couple of days since I did the rest of the Stitch Fix, but today I wanted to tell you what I ended up getting. So I got the purple halter top, tank top thing, and of course the crossback tank top, and I kept the sneakers. So I sent back both of the pants. I thought they looked pretty good on me, but I just didn't want to spend that much money at this time. And, you know, not every fix is going to be perfect for me, but so far, at least something has been perfect for me every time. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you want to try Fix right now, you can use my link for $25 off. So I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.